How to accept or claim gift in Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can accept or claim gifts in Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to open up your Steam and then log in into your account. After you've done that, you will then need to just make sure that you're logged in. Hover over your username that's right besides community. After you hover, you will get a drop down option right here. You can directly tap on your username as well. After doing that, you can tap on inventory from here, or you can simply tap on inventory from here. So just head over to your inventory, and after you're on your inventory, you will see different options right here where you have received your gifts. So there will be two options. One is to reject it, other is to claim it or accept it. So simply tap on accept or claim, and then that's basically it. That is how you can claim your gifts in Steam. Thanks for watching. That's basically it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.